Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use the checklist feature in UPBASE. This fantastic tool helps you stay organized and on track with your tasks. First off, you need to log into your UPBASE account. Do so by entering your credentials on the login page. This is the initial step that leads you to the main dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now that we're in, let's head to the upper right corner and click on New Task. This helps us because it's where we create our to-do list. Next up, you'll see a box pop up. Here, type in the title and description of your task. The reason we do this is to give each task a unique identifier and clear details to make it easier to remember and execute. Once you've done that, look for the Add Checklist button just below the description box. Clicking it will bring up a new field where you can start listing the steps or items needed to complete your task. This is crucial as it helps break down complex tasks into manageable parts, making them less daunting and easier to tackle. As you finish each step or item, simply click on the checkbox next to it. This will mark it as done. Let me explain why this matters. It gives you a visual representation of your progress, which can be quite motivating. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use the checklist feature in UPBASE. This handy feature can be a game changer in managing tasks, keeping track of progress, and ultimately boosting productivity. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring UPBASE.